Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In early fall of 2022, Jamie from the channel Tides Rollin' was parked in a company vehicle at a gas station with his boss and coworkers getting prepared to move on to their next job. While waiting to leave, they noticed two uniformed officers from the North Point Police Department pull in behind them and approach their vehicle.
How you doing?
Pretty good, how are you?
Do me a favor, put it in park.
I am.
And come here, let me show you something.
I know the reverse light.
Yes.
Dude, he's
Yes.
ordered a sensor, that's my boss right
Sensor, okay.
there. It's a reverse
You
light
gotta-
sensor.
Can't shoot white light rear, you got something going on.
Yeah, sometimes they come on, sometimes they,
There's
they
like
flash.
flashing. Back and forth.
So far so good. Officer Sanders informs Jamie that the vehicle's reverse lights are malfunctioning. However, Officer Sanders' partner somehow feels slighted by Jamie because he's recording the encounter and takes it all too personally, admitting on camera that he is now going to retaliate against the men because Jamie is exercising his First Amendment right.
So you want to record it, make sure you smile for his camera.
There you go.
Get me on that, bro.
All right. Is there anything wrong with recording?
I don't care. Record it.
I am.
Hey, we're going to write your truck and probably tour it because your tail lights is messed up on. Does your boy want to be smart over here?
Have I been smart at all?
No.
Okay.
You have your driver's license?
I do.
All right.
Just so you can know, tell him I haven't been smart at all.
Okay, I'll let him know.
This is why we record, as a matter of fact. Exactly why we record.
All right.
This is in fact the exact reason we record, and why we often urge you to do the same. Jamie retrieves the requested documents for Officer Sanders, but the first piece of paperwork he hands over happens to be expired. But instead of allowing the truck's owner an opportunity to find and present the current document, Officer Brown orders his partner to just write a citation, despite the owner claiming that he has it on his phone.
You know where your insurance card is?
Oh, that's your boss?
Yeah.
You got it in
I
there?
thought you meant right over here.
Yeah.
The guy in the passenger seat.
Does he have it in there?
Huh?
You don't have it in there?
He's
We're
got
looking
expired
for it,
one. He's
sir.
looking for
Oh, don't waste time. Go ahead and write him a ticket for it.
I'll be right back before him, all right?
I'm glad we recorded all of this. For tyrants just like that.
The officers return to their cruiser for a number of minutes, and return later with a citation for the reverse lights.
All right, Mr. Osborne, here's your license back. and your
All right,
insurance.
thank you.
I'm going to give you a break on not having the insurance, okay?
Okay, I've got the card
You
right
got it
here.
now? I'm going to give you a warning on that. You're supposed to have that whenever we stop you, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to write you a citation for the lights.
Okay.
Now, look, that's a fix-it ticket. You can get that fixed as long as you get it fixed within
Right.
72 hours and take it up to the police department and have an officer inspect it and sign off.
Right, okay.
And it'll be just taken by the court and I'll take care of it,
No
okay?
problem.
All right?
No
You have any
problem.
questions for me?
His name and badge number.
I want you to give me your name and your stuff too. So
You've
I
already
your
got it.
camera, too.
What's your name and badge? It's your
yeah.
policy.
It's Officer Brown.
And that badge number?
It's Officer Brown.
Badge number?
That's all you need.
Your policy
That's
is
all you need.
your policy.
My policy ain't to give you
Badge
anything,
and
but I
name.
gave you what you needed.
Go read
Officer
your policy.
Brown.
Go
I
read your
it all the
policy.
time.
No, you don't, obviously,
So,
because
have a
you
good
know
day,
you're
sir.
supposed to identify to the public when you come in contact. That's your policy. He's a tyrant.
Understand
He's a
that.
tyrant.
Make sure you buckle
That's
your
why
seatbelt, all right?
I am. But we record him because of cops like
Well, you
him.
don't have to understand.
You're a tyrant, sir, and you will be going viral.
Please do.
All right.
Thank you, sir, for your viral opportunity.
Since the incident, the truck has been fixed and the ticket was dismissed, and Jamie has recently recorded himself gathering a complaint form from the police department, and will be turning it in soon, if he hasn't done so already. The City of Northport's mission statement claims that their aim is to develop a sense of community and enhance the quality of life. It further states that the city has developed standards of conduct for its employees, that they are expected to represent the city in a responsible and productive manner, and that any actions which adversely affects public relations will not be tolerated. I don't know about you, but in my opinion, Officer Brown's actions against Jamie and his employer did nothing to strengthen the bond between the state apparatus and its constituents. If anything, the officer's actions appear to only be intended to chill Jamie's First Amendment right to film his interactions with law enforcement, which was upheld in the United States Court of Appeals for the 11th Circuit case, Smith v. Cummings. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Did Officer Brown live up to the city's standard of conduct? Should Officer Sanders have been more proactive in de-escalating his partner? A big thanks to Tides Rollin' for allowing me to share this story with you. Be sure to pay him a visit on his channel, which will be listed in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.